Hey everybody, we're here in our backyard and we're going to build our own wood-fired pizza oven today. So we spent about $65 at Home Depot and I think we've got everything we need. So we'll go ahead and get started. Follow along with us.
Like that?
Okay, so we have all the wood cut over here. We just really need to get the fire going. We ended up, as you saw, we cut one of these slates in half because we wanted to have more room in the back. I want to be able to push the flame towards the back and not have it hit directly underneath the slate as much, so we're not burning the bottom of the pizza. Hopefully the residual heat from the oven will provide enough heat up on top and on the bottom to cook the pizza, but who knows? This is the first time trying this, so let's give it a shot. I'm gonna get a fire going right now. First test here is we have the green curry basil with vegan cheese. And so we don't have a thermometer. We're not really sure how hot it is. Hopefully it's hot enough. We're gonna monitor it and see if we can get it turned around and see if we can get it to cook. So go for it. Okay, we got the fire up a little bit more, get some more heat going. It's just kind of like monkeying with this stuff. We're not really sure what to do, but we know we need a lot of heat. I know it's not going to cook in the 90 seconds it's supposed to cook in a Neapolitan pizza oven. Looking good, yes. I think we're about ready to eat this bad boy. Okay, so we're going to go give this one a test. There we go. We got it back there pretty far this time. It's a lot hotter now. It just needs time to heat up. Ooh, ooh, singeing off my hairs. Oh, it just needs time to heat up. In fact, I think the lens is too close for that. Pizza number 2. I think we got this one a lot better.
A lot faster too.
Yeah,
half the time.
Thinner crust. Okay, we got some balsamic here. Thoughts?
It was good. It came out better than the last one. I like the green curry probably a little better. The mozzarella is delicious.
You can really see it bubbling back there. Oh, baby, look at that.
Look at this.
Look at that. Oh, baby. We got it. We finally got it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah, that looks beautiful.
No, that's it. That's it.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Number 3. Third time's the charm.
Definitely.
You can see the progression here. So we have the first pizza.
Thick.
We have the second pizza,
Not as thick.
and we have the third and final and best pizza.
Perfectly thin.
Cooked all the way through, just beautiful on top, on bottom, crispy. You can hear that as she cuts it. And really the key is to get those coals really, really hot, and then throw one piece of wood on there and get that wood going, so you get that heat going. But that really, the thinner you get it, you're gonna get it to really crisp up on the bottom and fully cook on the top. And oh, it's beautiful pizza. That's such nice pizza.
And it's delicious.
Oh my goodness.